that recording this, by the way, guys. There was a little bit of sun yesterday and now it's gone. So I'm just trying to, as Cheryl would say, soak it in. So morning, everybody. Happy BlueSync. Welcome. All that fun stuff. I wanted to talk today about something in Testimonial Tree, one of our favorite programs that you guys might know about but not have set up. And that is that, when we talk about reviews with Testimonial Tree and connecting things over, one of the things that Testimonial Tree does is that it makes it easy for your clients to leave reviews, to write them, and then to leave them on platforms for you, meaning leave them on Google, leave them on Facebook, leave them in those places. Now, the problem is that they can't automatically syndicate those reviews to those places because those platforms don't allow it. The reviewer, if I'm leaving a review for you as an agent, I have to personally leave that review on Facebook and or Google or Zillow, wherever. Now, Testimonial Tree makes it as easy as possible for them to do it. It gives them everything right there. But there is actually one place that your Testimonial Tree reviews can automatically syndicate to, and that is realtor.com. You can set it up that your reviews within Testimonial Tree are automatically syndicated right into your realtor.com profile. So if somebody leaves a review for you on Testimonial Tree and it goes into your account, that will automatically go to your agent, to your realtor.com professional profile. So I wanted to show you guys how to set that up today. It's actually pretty easy. It's just a couple of steps. So that's what we're going to go over today. What we're going to do here is we're going to first start by going to Moxie. So I'm signed in here through your normal Moxie sign in, and then I'm going to click on the hub right up top. And from the hub, I'm going to click on Testimonial Tree. I'm going to log into my account right here. Testimonial Tree, click on it. It's going to log me in automatically. So now I am in my Testimonial Tree account. Now, of course, I don't have any reviews because I am just a trainer. I'm just a measly trainer. And what I'm going to do, though, is show you how to connect this account. So the first thing I did was I signed into Testimonial Tree. The second thing I did was I signed into dashboard.realtor.com. That is the professional side of realtor.com. So, and I made this mistake when I was prepping for BlueSync. If you just go to realtor.com, just the normal realtor.com, and you sign in, even with your agent login, it is going to sign you into your quote unquote buyer profile. So this is going to, it'll be like, oh yeah, take a look at, the listings you have saved and stuff. You're not actually going to be able to manage your work profile from there. So what you want to make sure you do is go to dashboard.realtor.com. And that will bring you to the correct sign-in page. If you don't have a realtor.com profile set up yet, you can literally click sign up. And if you click sign up, it's going to ask you for an email and password. And then it's going to ask you for your MLS ID so that it can connect your account in. It's free. Obviously, like a lot of, Zillow, Trulia, stuff like that, they have like a paid, premium agent thing. You don't need to have that. You can just sign up for your realtor.com profile so that all of your correct information is attached to all of your listings on the site. That's a bit of a side tangent. So you're going to log into realtor.com. Now, I'm logged in as the one and only Jeff Scott, Carrie's lovely husband, because again, I don't have a realtor.com profile. So I'm just going to show you how to set these up here. So we're going to start by going to Testimonial Tree. So from Testimonial Tree, we're going to go to the upper right corner and click on your headshot. And if you click on your headshot, it's going to give you the option to click on your account. So I'm in my account, and you'll see a bunch of settings here, right? Account profile settings, blah, 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 blah. All you want to worry about for what we're doing right now is go to the right-hand side over here, and you'll see a section that says connect accounts with a weird long code right here. It's not that long, honestly, but it's a few lines of letters and numbers. So all you want to do is you want to copy this code. So what I'm going to do, the easiest way to do that is to literally go to this green button right next to it and click it. And then it's going to tell me copy the text to your clipboard. So you want to go, again, you're in Testimonial Tree, upper right corner, click on account. On the right-hand side, you're going to have some code. We're going to click on that code to copy it. You click OK. Then you're going to go to realtor.com. And from realtor.com, this is just the dashboard, right when I logged in. You're going to go over here to profile on the left. And then you're going to go to manage profile. Actually, no, I think you have to go right to recommendations if I was not mistaken. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me do that again. So from here, you actually go to profile and then recommendations. I'm sure you can get there from manage profile, but you don't need to. You can go to profile on the left-hand side, recommendations, and it's going to bring you to a page that says manage recommendations, add a new one. Basically, recommendations are reviews. It's just using a different word because Zillow uses reviews and realtor.com uses recommendations, and it's a petty world that we live in. So what you want to do from this page is just scroll down a little bit to the right, and you'll see a section that says import recommendations, and you'll actually see Testimonial Tree as an option. And it says copy over your recommendations and ratings and copy over your recommendations and ratings and reviews from third-party partners. All you have to do is click on Testimonial Tree, connect, paste that code in there, and click connect. And just like that, boom, my testimonial tree has been linked successfully. And then you just got to give it some time. It shouldn't be longer than, I would 15, 20 minutes, but I always, with all the stuff, we like to say, give it at least 24 hours. And by then your testimonial tree reviews should all be imported into realtor.com. And that's it. That way, when your testimonial tree emails go out to your clients and they take the time to leave a review, it's going to go right in here. It'll automatically go to realtor.com without you having to do a thing. So I'm going to walk through that one more time. I am going to disconnect it, obviously, because Jeff Scomp doesn't need my 0 reviews in his profile. But I went to Testimonial Tree. I went to my account. I found the code over here under Connect Accounts. They call it a global identifier. It's just a bunch of letters and numbers. I copied that code. I went to my realtor.com dashboard. And then under profile, let me go back to the home. So just to show you what it looks like again. Under home over here, on the left-hand side, I went to profile and then recommendations. And then from here, I just scrolled down a bit and I clicked on testimonial tree on the right over here where it says connect. I popped that code in there and then I clicked connect. And then you're off to the races. Now, obviously this video is going to go in Blue Matters Monday. I also have the support link right here from Testimonial Tree that we'll make sure to include as well. But it's pretty straightforward. It's just putting the code in the right place, and your reviews and your recommendations and ratings will all come over into realtor.com automatically. That really is it. Carrie, are you on? I don't know if Carrie's actually on the call with me. Carrie, if you are, can you unmute for a second? But one thing that I wanted to share that was actually crazy to me was that we, Carrie and I had a call with, I don't think she is on the call, with Testimonial Tree Tuesday, the two of us did. And since we launched Testimonial Tree a few months ago, we have had just under, and this was 2 or 3 days ago, so it might be over now, just under 2,000 reviews given by to our agents and to our offices. And keep in mind that if they're under 4 stars, they don't get syndicated anywhere. They sit in your account. But that is the power of Testimonial Tree, is that 2,000 reviews have already been left for our agents because of the automated emails that go out, which is super, super cool to me. So any questions on the Testimonial Tree realtor.com syndication relationship? Okay, well.
Katie.
Yes, sir.
Nothing on Testimonial Tree, great product and everything like that. But if you're in the group coming down here to Florida on Tuesday, leave that cold weather up there because it's supposed to be 79 here.
I am not, and so I'll try not to be spiteful about it. But I will pass that message on to those who are.
Thanks.
Thanks, Tom. All right, cool. Thank you guys so much for your time. Yep, and Caitlin says, I second that, Tom. I don't know if you're talking about the weather or how great Testimonial Tree is, but I'll assume it's both. Have a great rest of your Thursday, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye now.